Good morning, everyone. It is 8:30. We just left camp a couple minutes ago. Everybody there was still just crawling out of their tents. Trip was still fast asleep.
Yeah.
So we decided to walk up a little bit, tried to be quiet. But it's Fontana Dam Day.
Woo!
So we get to go into town, do a resupply, laundry, and take a shower. Kevin's feet are above and beyond stinky.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's because I've had these shoes for like 800 miles.
Yeah, he does need to get some new shoes, which he will in a few days.
Yeah.
In a few days. So, anyway, short day, nice Nero.
Yeah. We're doing 4.4 miles, 371 feet of ascent, and 1,995 feet of descent.
Easy.
Just got to figure out. Last time we walked all the way down to the visitor center and then got a ride from a trail angel. We just got to get in touch with Fontana Dam and see where they pick you up on the shuttle.
The shuttle service.
There's the marina and then there's the Hilton, but I'd rather do the 4.4 down to the visitor center and then start from there tomorrow, but we'll see.
We'll see, yeah.
That's what we did last time.
Anyways, it is a bit chilly this morning. It's 39 degrees and a little bit windy.
Yeah.
So Kevin's fully suited up in his base layers. But yeah, we'll be in town before we know it, so let's get this day rolling. It is 9:45. We made it down to the marina parking area. They have trash cans and they have a bathroom right over there. Over that hill right there, there is a marina. We did go there last year. The comments on Far Out say that they're open Wednesday through Sunday from 8 to 4:30. It is Wednesday. We could run down there, but we've also heard that they don't really have food and stuff down there, so I think we're gonna skip it this time. Last time we got some ice cream and sodas and stuff like that, but we have, I think, about 1.9 left for the day. It should be pretty flat and easy, so we should be there in no time. You got anything, babe?
No, we don't have service here, so we just have to get somewhere where we have service, and then we can call the Fontana Village to see about the shuttle.
I might die here.
Why?
Because I'm gonna fall down the fucking hill.
What?
Oh, can I get some help? Ow.
All right, we made it to the famous Fontana Hilton.
We are just leaving the Fontana Hilton. It's really nice shelter. It's pretty big too. It can fit a lot of people. It does have a tenting area as well. But they got showers, bathroom, running water. There's a power stations for charging, picnic tables everywhere, trash cans, and a really nice view of the lake.
Yeah.
So.
Not from right here.
Yeah, no, we walked up to the parking lot. But yeah, it's a nice shelter. I would recommend staying there.
Yeah. No bear boxes though.
Right. Anyway,
Yeah,
still a little confusion about the shuttle situation.
But supposedly there's really good trail magic.
So we're gonna check it out.
Out the coast, it's pretty flat out there too. That's like that.
It's a little before 1 o'clock. After we left the Fontana Hilton, we were blessed right away in the parking lot with some trail magic from Nomad, which was really awesome. And then we figured out this shuttle situation. They do come pick up from that parking lot. So they pick up from the marina, the shelter, and the visitor center. So,
And you just gotta give them a call.
yeah. So we got that handled, got our shuttle. They dropped us off at the general store. We did a quick resupply.
I will say, they do pick up from all those locations. If you call and the person says they only pick up from the marina, just call back a little bit later, because that person first told me that, and I was like, that doesn't sound right.
They just didn't have their information correct. Anyways, did a resupply at the general store. They do have laundry down there as well, which we're gonna go do in a little bit. Right now we're headed up to the lodge because we're gonna check in.
There's a 0.3 from the general store.
So it's a little bit of walk uphill, but we're almost there. And then we'll get started on that and figure out what else we're gonna do. They do have a restaurant here, but sadly it's freaking closed today, so that really sucked. But oh, we also did print our smoky permits, so they do that down at the general store as well. Really? So we're back in our room. We just got done doing our laundry. I wanted to show you guys a quick little view of our resupply. So this is mine, and then Kevin's is over here. That's gonna be for 2 nights and 3 days.
Yeah, but we have like ham and turkey.
We do have a couple things in the fridge too, yeah.
Hot pockets and stuff.
Gonna bring along. Yeah, so tomorrow morning we are going to eat breakfast. The restaurant is open tomorrow. It's not open on Monday, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays, which today's Wednesday. So Thursday morning it should be open. We're gonna grab some breakfast before we get the shuttle back down to the shelter. And then we start the Smokies. Excited for that. Yeah, here's what our room looks like really quick. Sorry about the mess. It's a pretty nice room. However, it is a little spendy here. Resupply was also a little bit more than we like to spend on resupply, but yeah.
What can you do besides send yourself a box?
You could do that.
Yeah. So we're gonna hit the Smokies in the morning. You don't got anything else?
I don't either, so we will see you guys tomorrow morning. Back on trail.